Yeah, so here's the deal. I'm kind of amazing. Now, I'm not that amazing. Okay, let's keep it hush, hush, shh, shh, shh. I'm not amazing. Text Cortex and automation capabilities are amazing, all right? Now, AI agent is a buzzword nowadays, all right? I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if this is like 100% an AI agent, but I know thanks to Text Cortex, who is the sponsor of this video, and the AI that powers Rise Productive and everything I do is kind of the primary cause for why this is possible. So, really cool. I have something in here that is called a knowledge base. I have it, it's called RP Meetings, RP, Rise Productive, that's the name of my company. Shout out Rise Productive. If you are an app that needs content made for you, we're the agency for you. All right, anyways, in all seriousness, this is a really cool thing that I've created. Essentially, I have a bunch of different personas. I have a knowledge base in here. And what this is quite literally a bunch of documents and PDFs of recent meetings that I've had with the team. So every time I have a meeting and I finish it, Grain, which is the recording software that I use, is awesome. And it generates great summaries. But what I actually did is I took it a step further. I said, hey, wait a second. This is a great meeting that occurred. I need answers as to what is the next steps with certain clients. Say, for example, clients or internal calls, I want a summary, you know, if I'm a team member, of what necessarily occurred. Last Friday, someone wasn't able to make the team meeting, for example. Sure, they can go into this recording, they can use the software, that's great. But I just want to ask the chatbot that I interact with in a conversational way, hey, what was talked about in last week's EO week manager sync? So I asked this question, hey, what was talked about in last week's end of week manager sync? Oh my goodness. The most recent end of week manager sync took place on March 21st. That is accurate. That was on a Friday. This meeting included participants, Dimitri, Talo, Trent. This is accurate. These people that talked. Unfortunately, the excerpts don't contain the specific topics discussed beyond the basic meeting information. The knowledge base only includes summaries. Okay, that's fine. There is a Grain link though. So can I have the Grain link? Oh, really cool. It has the meeting link. That's crazy. What are you talking about? Oh my God. Wait, so you're saying I can ask my chat, hey, what did we talk about? What necessarily, not only did we talk about, but can I have the link to the recording so I can go look at it? Yeah, I can do that. Let's do another one. Luca, Mohammed, or Dimitri. Okay, last week there was a call with Dimitri, Mohammed, and Luca. Can you show me what happened in that sync? Okay, that's okay. It's saying basically, hey man, I can only give you a basic information. Here's the link to the Notion page as well as the Grain link. That's okay. Can I have a summary? All right, so I asked a better question and now it's saying, yeah. Role streamlining and efficiency improvements to avoid redundancies in the team's workflow. That is accurate. Emphasis on the needs of daily checks on the file, status and project alignment to maintain workflow continuity. Very, very cool. So all of this is what we talked about. And honestly, I couldn't imagine a more easy interactive experience than what I get with Text Cortex. Simply making a new knowledge base, adding it in here, and then following a few steps allowed this to happen. All I have to do is go to two automations. I have one in Zapier and I have one in make.com. Unfortunately, Grain doesn't have a make.com endpoint. It's why I still use Zapier for a lot of things. Essentially, if I go to the Zapier that has Grain, you'll see what I mean. It only has a few steps. It basically ends here at this webhook. You can ignore everything below it, but we have recording was added via Grain. So the second the meeting ends, this gets noted. There's about a half a minute delay. It then gets the recording, which gives me a transcript. And then I push through the transcripts, the recording ID, the start time, end time, meeting title, all that stuff through here, and it goes into a make.com automation. And Text Cortex makes it so simple. All I need to do is right here, essentially make an analysis of the transcript. And as you can see right here, I'm simply putting, here's the meeting title, here's the link, here's the date, here's the Notion meeting notes link. Can you give me a meeting summary, key points, topic breakdowns, and technical details of anything that was discussed? And then from there, utilizing Google Drive, I simply add the file and create it via the result from the ChatGPT module with the meeting title, the date variable that I just did a little quick format date. Then I take that and I download it and I turn it into a PDF. I do that because it's just easier to interact with that inside of Text Cortex. So if I go to this knowledge base here, when I click on it, I can check out the PDF. It's easy to see that this way, and it's just easier for the AI to read it as well. And then from there, what it does, last but not least, is I just grab and map the data by giving it the meeting title, the date, and .pdf with this download a file module and the knowledge base ID. All I had to do was simply go to the 3 dots here, press copy ID, and you'll see when I paste it in here, it's the same one. So very simple setup. Literally, you can have it with anything that you want. If you have a meeting recording software that has a Zapier or a make.com endpoint, please push this through. Please use this. This is the best experience I've ever had because I can get summaries of the things we discussed in meetings without needing to go back to the meetings, even in the software that I record them. It's like somehow a step easier than looking at recordings. That's something I never thought that I'd have, but I have it here. And it's all thanks to Text Cortex and it's amazing software. So please try out my affiliate link down below to utilize the product that I run everything on. As you can see, we got a million knowledge bases, customizations. It's kind of crazy and out of hand here, but this can be you. And this could be you to watch the next video about how to improve your skills using productivity tools. I don't know what that segue was, but check out this video. Thanks for watching.